Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua that is from Surah Anbiya, ayat number 89. This dua is powerful for those people who need their children. So Zakaria alayhi salam, he requested Allah with this dua and he got his son Yahya alayhi salam. Because Zakaria alayhi salam, he was old person and it was not expectation that he will be able to get one son. But when he has seen the fruits with Maryam alayhi salam, and those fruits were out of season. So this point gave more encouragement to Zakaria alayhi salam. He thought that Allah who gave the fruits which are out of season to Maryam alayhi salam, then it is also possible Allah will give me the children even if I am old. So he requested Allah with this dua, then Allah gave him his son Yahya alayhi salam. So this way, if a person who need the children, maybe woman or the man, if they start reading this dua every day, inshallah they will get the beautiful son, and also with the blessings of Allah they will get him healthy and on Islam, inshallah. And some Muslim people whose children they die, after birth, the children they die, or they die after some years, and the children they are not with them, and they can read this dua, inshallah Allah will give the life to the children and they will stay, inshallah, with the blessings of Allah. And some people who are thinking that their children they are disobedient, or they are leaving Islam, or they are so much arrogant, so much annoying or disturbing them, if they start reading this dua, inshallah that person will get the children obedient, and Allah will give them guidance also. So this dua is so much effective for all types of matters relating to the children. So we have to read this dua. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi la tazarni fardan wa anta khairul warisin. Rabbi la tazarni fardan wa anta khairul warisin. Rabbi la tazarni fardan wa anta khairul warisin. Rabbi, O my Lord, O my Allah, la tazarni, don't leave me, fardan, alone. Rabbi la tazarni fardan, O Allah, O my Rabb, don't leave me alone, wa anta khairul warisin, and you are the best of inheritors. Rabbi la tazarni fardan wa anta khairul warisin. O my Lord, O my Allah, please don't leave me without children, without offspring, and you are the best inheritor. So when you request Allah with this dua, then Allah will fulfill your need, inshallah. And then you must be thankful to Allah and do sadaqah so that your blessings upon your generation should continue by Allah. So we request Allah just for our children to get their life healthy, nice in Islam, enriched with Iman and also with good deed. So Allah gave us tawfiq to train and to educate our children with strong Iman and the best health of good deeds. Ameen.